What if I told you that bugs might have traveled across the universe and onto planet Earth? The theory could help science explain how life began here on this tiny planet we call home. And could these same cosmic traveling organisms be migrating out of our solar system, possibly flying off to help populate other planets in our solar system? According to British scientists, steady flows of interplanetary stardust travels through space at up to 70 kilometers per second. There are bacteria, plants, and even microanimals that are capable of surviving space. Could these tiny organisms that reach planets in the solar system bring extraterrestrial life? Could this have been the process that seeded our world with life? Let's take a look. GlobalBazaar.com. The tough little tardigrade. This little guy might be proof that extraterrestrial life is already on planet Earth. The tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, can survive being boiled, frozen, dosed with 1,000 times higher radiation than humans can withstand, and can regrow limbs when needed. Scientists have been testing the limits of these guys for years and have found that the tardigrades can live a few minutes in over 300 degrees Fahrenheit and a few days at -300 degrees. They can live in the vacuum of space for a week. They can live just as long in the pressure cooker of the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the western Pacific Ocean. The trench is 1,134 meters or 36,201 feet deep, almost 7 miles. Scientists even report that one tardigrade survived being frozen for 30 years. When thawed quickly, it gave birth and went on to produce many generations of offspring. What does this mean besides the fact that they are fierce little creatures? It suggests that possibly these little tough guys did not originate here, but came to visit on space winds and decided to stay. Could the octopus be alien? There's a new controversial study that suggests the octopus is out of this world. Well, anyone that likes or has studied the octopus's behavior knows this to be a fact. However, science is starting to research to confirm the species' otherworldliness. Octopuses are unquestionably brilliant but strange creatures, each with different personalities. And a group of 33 scientists worldwide think so too. The group includes molecular immunologist Edward Steele and astrobiologist Chandra Wickramasinghe. The group has published a paper that states the octopus is actually of alien descent. About 500 million years ago, the octopus arrived suddenly on the scene. The octopus came fully formed with their large brain, evolved nervous system, elastic bodies, instant camouflage abilities, and radar-type eyes. The thing is, there is no pre-existing life form that the octopus could have developed from, making them a conundrum to the scientific community. That is, unless it is proven that they are beings from outer space. There's a fungus among us. Land plants evolved on Earth about 700 million years ago. Fossil study has shown that land fungi appeared about 1,300 million years ago. Could the bacteria-filled cosmic winds or a falling meteorite exposed to organic matter hitting the planet have brought the biological molecules that first seeded the fungus here on Earth and perhaps humans also? Scientists think it is more than likely. DNA life's genetic code is a blueprint that twists with RNA. RNA is present in all living cells. Its role is to act as a messenger relaying instructions from DNA that carries genetic information, which all started millions and millions of years ago and began the manner of complete replication. This process paved the path for the evolution that would one day lead to humans, so science says. Scientists have been looking hard at comets, icy rocks left over from the planet's development time. Comets have changed very little since their formation. Comets are an excellent snapshot of the conditions in the birthing pool of what we see today. What about humans? Okay, so there might need to be more scientific proof before scientists are totally convinced that octopuses came from outer space, but this thought process has led science to unite in a theory. The theory is called Panspermia, meaning seeds everywhere. The idea is that seeds of life are everywhere in the universe. These seeds of life here on planet Earth may have come from microscopic alien life forms invading Earth with the absolute right ingredients for life. The seeds would have been diverse organic matter with the capacity for intelligent self-replication. What does all this mean? It means stop looking to the stars for the evidence of alien life. Look right in your own backyard and perhaps even in the mirror. You might just see an exotic, strange life form that descended from supercosmic stardust. Thank you for listening, and I hope we were able to expand your consciousness. For more information like this, head over to globalbazaar.com.